Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an exit counseling completion confirmation letter. This letter is a formal document issued by an educational institution to confirm that a student has successfully completed the mandatory exit counseling session required. You'll start your exit counseling completion confirmation letter by listing your institution's name, address, contact details, and the date at the top. Then include a clear subject line like Exit Counseling Completion Confirmation followed by a polite salutation such as Dear Student's First Name. After that, write, "This letter is to formally confirm that you have successfully completed the required exit counseling session as part of your federal student loan obligations. This session was completed on completion date and included important information about repayment options, deferment and forbearance, and managing your student loans responsibly after graduation or separation from school. We appreciate your attention to this important requirement and encourage you to keep a copy of your exit counseling confirmation for your records. If you have any further questions about your repayment schedule or need assistance with managing your loans, please do not hesitate to contact our office or visit Loan Servicer website. Sincerely, your name." This is our sample exit counseling completion confirmation letter. You'll notice how it clearly confirms the completion of exit counseling, maintains a professional and supportive tone, and reinforces the borrower's awareness of their loan responsibilities. The letter's clear structure helps ensure accountability and offers a point of contact for future guidance. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective educational and financial correspondence.